Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to navigate backward and forward in Mozilla Firefox browser. Now when you look here carefully, you can see these two arrow keys, which are nothing but the backward and the forward navigation arrows. Now then, since I do not have any browsing session, so these two buttons are grayed out. Say suppose I just visit a website, say browser how, and now you can see the back arrow key is enabled. Let me browse through few of the pages. I go to tips and then some open other website, other web page, and now you can see the back button is enabled. Now if I want to go back to the previous page, I can just simply click on this back navigation button and it will take me to the previous page. If I keep on continue hitting on this previous button, it will take me to the previous page until the page where I started this session, which is nothing but the blank page. Now you can see the forward arrow is active. Now if I just go click on this forward arrow one after the other, it will take me to the next page until the last page that I was active in this browser session. Now you can also skip the particular page and go back to the first page or second page here. What you can do is you can just simply click and hold this arrow key and it will show up all the pages that you have visited till now. Now if you want to go to any specific page, say suppose browser home page, so you can just release the click on that particular highlight and then it will take you to the page that you have selected. Similarly, you can also tap and click and hold the forward arrow key and it will take you to the desired page wherever you want. You can just release the arrow, release the click button, and then it will take you to the desired page. So in this way you can navigate forward and backward in Mozilla Firefox browser. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you, cheers, have a great day.
Hey, let us know if you got any questions in the comment box below. Thank you. And please do not forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Cheers until the next time.